This meeting is being recorded.
And then I have to see you. Wait, hold on. Did I give you permission for the, hold on one moment. Okay, right here. The host to, I don't know, you have access, right? You have, did I give you permission for the host, right?
Yeah, I just requested it.
Okay.
I don't see why I have access yet. Let me see something.
One moment. I'm looking at the option now. Okay, screen share, hold on. And
I'm gonna send you something.
Yeah.
See if it'll work. I think you got to look at more.
Okay, more. And okay, I see. Okay, I don't see that option over here, so I can give it to you. That's what I was looking for.
Let me see something real quick. Let me actually download this app instead of looking at the browser.
Okay. Oh, wait, here. I think I found something. Who can start collaboration? Host only know all participants. Okay, I think I found it. Who can start a collaboration when someone else already started? I think that's it, Ryan. See if that worked.
Let me see.
That was in meeting. Was it meeting info? No, it wasn't meeting info.
I didn't get anything that came across the screen.
Okay, I've opened up the host tools and allow participants to, share chat. I know we did it before, so I don't. Let me. Yeah, who can start a collaboration? I put our participant. All right, yeah. On my end, I gave you permission for everything, so I don't know what else.
I don't see where I can share my screen. So I'm using this web base. Let me see something here.
Try, I just hit one participant to share at a time. See if that works. Oh, wait. Oh, we said to default live. No. Let's see what's the other options. What about when you hit share your screen? Let me see what comes up.
I'm trying to find out where that's at. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna leave the meeting real quick, and I'm gonna come back in from the app itself.
Okay.
All right.
Hmm.
All right. I think I'm here now.
Okay. Do I need to do anything on my end?
No, I'm cool.
Okay.
I was on the web browser part of it, and it wasn't operating correctly.
Oh, okay. I can see your screen.
Okay. Cool. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through everything that I did for today.
Okay.
So we basically we on NQ. I'm gonna get rid of all these drawings real quick. Walk you through the whole process of what I do. First thing in the morning, I'm on the computer maybe like around 7 to 8 o'clock,
Okay.
and I'm plotting my levels on my chart. But you can see that I have the VWAP here and the 100 EMA, which is the
Mm-hmm.
I took 2 trades today. I lost one, and I won one. And I just been fooling around on my practice account. Okay, so we're gonna start from the top down. So what I do is, you see, I got the 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. I really
Okay.
don't do much with the weekly, but but it's good to look at the weekly chart. So you doing what we doing is top down analysis, and the reason why we do top down analysis is to um look at certain levels, certain key points that price hit, that price may have a potential to go to.
Got you. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Those are basically called liquidity. Liquidity is where people, it could be where your buy orders or where your sell orders can potentially be at. So at those points there are, at these liquidity lines when you plot your levels, that there are individuals who have stop orders waiting to be placed and buy orders waiting to be placed, and also sell orders.
Right.
So the market tends to hit those areas, sometimes stopping people out, and sometimes taking you into a trade into profit. So I mark out my levels from the highest point to the lowest point. So I'm basically looking at my swing points. You see the swing highs and swing lows?
Yes, yes.
This is a swing low right here, this area. Let me take this. This is a swing low area.
Right.
Below this area, I mark a zone. I put a zone there, which is this line. This is a zone right here. This is also a zone. What we doing is marking out the zones, the highs and the lows.
Right.
And when you see them highs and lows, what price did? It rejected those areas.
Right.
In other words, it gave you a pullback.
Mm-hmm.
After you do that, you go down to the 4 hour. You do the same thing for the 4 hour. Let me get rid of these circles. You see, and once you drop down to the 4 hour from coming from the daily time frame, you see those lines plotted, right?
Yeah.
Those zones. So now you plotting other zones now. You're doing it down. You're doing it all the way down to maybe the 30-minute.
Okay. That was my question. Okay.
Price tap those zones reversed every time. Price bounce off those zones every time. And it's easy to plot those zones when you're using the Heiken Ashi candlesticks because you can see it better. It's a clear vision.
Right.
See price making highs and lows, highs and lows. You see it's been in the uptrend on the higher time frame. But
Yeah.
then you see when you come over in this area, you see in the higher time frame that it broke the 100 EMA. So for me, when I look at that, I've been looking at it. Once it broke, I knew that price on the lower time frame will be in a downtrend. That comes with time after when you looking over the charts on a consistent basis. But your key objective is to look at what price is doing. You react off of what price is doing.
Okay.
We have enough zones plotted. We ain't gotta really plot too many more. Cause what I did was plot my minor and my major zones. So now we come down to the 2 minute time frame, or you could come down to the 15 minute after you do the 30 and look for some more zone. But we over I don't want to oversaturate the chart.
Gotcha.
So now we go down to the 1 minute. Now we start looking what the 1 minute is doing. You come to the 1 minute, and you also start marking those zones. Mark those zones on the 1 minute, on the 1 minute time frame. Once you get to the 1 minute, you do all this before market open. All right, so there you have it right there. So I actually really started trading at 7 o'clock this morning.
Oh, okay.
I had some real small peanut wins at 7 o'clock this morning. So
That's good.
what I do is I go for base hits. I don't try because I have so many accounts that I'm trading off, that I'm copy trading from. I come to this area right here. You see the gear icon?
Yeah.
I put in here $200. Click, hit save.
Okay.
The market is not open. It opens in an hour. You need to actually see how the market is moving, but right now the market is still. So I'm going to manually show you how I place my trade. So as the market opens, we go all the way from not all the way to 9 o'clock. We start from here. We're enlarging our chart. We see what price is doing. So market opens. You see the market 9:30. You see 9:30. Where's 9:30? Boom. See
Right.
price. Once the market open, price is underneath.
Yes. Downtrend.
It's in the downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
But you see, you didn't. Now you got to wait for price to do what it do to give you your confirmation, your entry confirmation, and due to what your strategy is. So the market opens, it's going down. You get the doji, it reverses back up.
The two clean candles. Okay.
You got the two clean candles, but what happens when you enter that trade? Right here.
Yeah, doji.
You see what happened? That wasn't a good doji.
Right, right.
That doji wasn't good enough. I didn't take that trade.
Yeah.
It was small. Even though it's long, but it's a small because look at the top
Yeah.
doji. You want to avoid dojis like this. That's risky.
Mm-hmm.
So the trade went against you, stopped you out. The stop loss would have been right here. Once you open the trade, you move the stop loss to what his yellow line is. And then you move your take profit down here. Boom. I'm gonna change. Let me change the color on this. I'm gonna make it green. So when price is moving, when you in a trade, you remember when I showed you before, you be able to move
The stop loss. Oh,
the stop loss
yeah.
manually.
Mm-hmm.
But when you trade in New York session, price moves so fast. Once you enter that trade, you can make your $200 within a split second. You see, you trading right. Quick math, real quick. You got 5 accounts that you copy trading, right?
Right.
You made $200 off a quick trade.
Mm-hmm.
That's 2 times 5. So you actually made $1,000.
Right.
All
Man.
you did was stand at the mound, wait for the pitcher to throw the ball. He threw a straight pitch, and you hit it good enough just for you to get the first base. That's all we doing. We ain't trying to hit home runs. We just trying to get the home base because we trade in multiple accounts.
Yeah.
By day 5, you got what? $1,000. You got $5,000. By day 5, you actually got $25,000 by day 5. By day 10, you got $50,000. But guess how much you able to take out?
How much?
$25,000 because you got to leave 50% of the money inside.
Oh wow.
That's how it works. You can only withdraw 50% of your money.
Okay.
So 25,000 times 4 payouts is $100,000.
Oh Jesus.
That's trading. That's copy trading 5 accounts. You see why you ain't gotta hit home runs if you trade a copy 5 accounts and it's less stress off you.
Absolutely, because man,
Okay. So let's get back to this. You see this right here? You got stopped out. See, this went, you got your doji, you got stopped out. But what's wrong with this doji right here? What color is this doji?
it's green. It's supposed to be red.
This is green, but this is red right here. This is small. This is the
Right.
doji I was talking about. I meant to tell you. But this it's a red doji, but the doji isn't. It's not a good doji.
No.
I passed over that trade, and look what it did. It went against me.
Yeah.
So now we look for a new trade now. Waiting to see what the market do. Now you see a potential opportunity coming down here, right? Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Now you see it started consolidating. It started trading sideways. Would you have gotten this trade right here? Would you have
No.
taken any of these opportunities?
No.
And the reason being because it's too many wicks.
Yes.
Even though the trade played out very well, you got a very small red doji,
Mhm.
but it's too wicky. That is a gamble, a major gamble. So now you got another opportunity. You see here, it comes down, it pulls back up, comes down, then it pulls back up again.
Mhm.
Now you got this opportunity right here.
Yep.
And what the trade do?
Go back down.
It played out very well. That trade gave a 2.75
Yeah.
risk to reward ratio. That trade played out very well. Now the trade ended up going back up. This is the trade I caught this morning.
So right here.
Yep, I caught that whole trade this morning.
Look at that.
I know. Come on, go out. See y'all later. You go. She's gonna follow you. Go with your sister, please. Thank you. So now we looking for another trade. The stock started to trade above the VWAP
Mm-hmm.
and the 100 EMA. This was a opportunity right here, but what's wrong with this opportunity?
It's double doji. Well, that's not.
Yep. So now you keep looking.
Yeah.
You got a potential opportunity right here. But is that doji big enough?
Um, I know it's not bigger than the previous one, right?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, it's not. It's not bigger than that. Yeah, it's not.
You see how it went here and reversed on you?
Yeah.
So the trade you get in and the doji you look at, that matters.
Okay. So that's the strategy you're doing, the Heiken Ashi with the two clean candles and making sure that you have a high volume doji.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
So now we got another opportunity that came up like around this is what, 229.
Yes.
Around 230, 229. This was a rejection off the EMA. But you see that doji formed above the EMA. You call it this play. You could catch rejection plays off the EMA.
Okay.
And what it did, that thing played out all the way.
Wow. Was 2.9?
Yup.
Wow.
Yup.
Right where the hand. What about that one right there with that doji?
You see double doji? I would never even got in this. That's a gamble.
Right where you was moving this screen right here, to the left. Yeah, that one.
You see double doji?
No, not that one. Yeah, I see the double doji right there. But it's because it's over the VWAP and the EMA. But the
You
two,
talking about this one?
no, go back to the right. Go back to the right. Keep going. It's a green doji. Oh, well, I can't even see the top of that to see it. It's bigger than the previous candle. Go over some more. Yeah, that one. So the doji before that one, right after, I'm sorry. But the two clean green candles going up. Would you?
One,
I
two.
can't see the top.
Let's bring it down.
Okay, so yeah, that one right there, right where you at.
Two clean, and then the green doji.
Uh-huh.
Now you want to trade those on a pullback.
Oh, gotcha.
You see how this is, it's above the EMA. You got your green candles going up, then your red going down.
You know what? I'm sorry. Yeah, my fault, because my two clean the pullbacks are the red cleans, right? When we above the VWAP, right? And the EMA.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. I got it.
This played out, but look at this doji. You see how small this doji is?
Mm-hmm.
That's really not an A plus play because the doji is tiny.
Yeah.
I would have been kind of skeptical on this. And throughout the whole day, you really didn't get anything. See all those small candles? Price just slowed down.
Yeah. And that is the after, because I think you say after 11.
Yeah, you don't want to get caught into a trade after that anyway.
Okay.
So this first play right here, that is a nice size doji.
Yes. I see it.
Even when you get dojis this big,
Mm-hmm.
a red doji this big to the downside, beautiful. That's a beautiful play. So that's basically what I'm looking at throughout the day. Let's go to the Discord real quick. I'm gonna show you my Discord.
Okay. This the inner circle, right?
Yeah.
This is what I definitely need going into the new year. To withdraw my 50% and keep going. Rinse and repeat. I need this.
Let's go to this Discord real quick. You go to Euphoria Trades. This is the play that we took today.
Oh man.
You see that whole play? Boom.
That's awesome. And I like the fact that you all doing it together, y'all entering the same time.
Mm-hmm. This is the trade I lost today. I entered on this doji right here.
Yeah.
Trade stopped me out.
Oh wow.
We've been kind of hitting all week. For the past 2 weeks, we've been hitting almost every day.
And what time they get on?
This guy Euphoria, he
Okay.
doesn't trade live. He send you signals.
Oh.
And this is how he send his signals. Yeah, he don't trade live like Javier does. Javier take trades with you, but he doesn't. Javier is not trading Heiken Ashi candlesticks.
Oh, I thought you said he's doing another trade too, right? I mean,
Yeah, he trade with regular candlesticks.
Oh wow.
So Euphoria, he has his own server tool, which is this here, Euphoria Trading. He's one of Javier's students.
That's awesome.
And he became a coach.
Wow.
So
And he does Heiken Ashi only.
Yep.
That's good.
This is me today.
Oh, that's good.
You see, pass.
And that's the copy and paste for the other. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, I'm gonna show you something. Let's go here. You see my screen?
Yeah.
You see all of these I got passed?
Oh wow, that's good, Brian. So when you pass the wait, what is active? That's the 2 that you're doing now.
Yeah, that's that one active is the practice. You see, this is practice.
Okay, that's right.
This is the one I'm doing right now.
Okay.
This is where my price is at today. 51,291.
Mm-hmm.
They all have to say 53.
Oh.
Once you make 3,000 on an account, you pass.
That's what's up. But you mentioned all of them are copy and paste, so you put in one trade, it'll close for all of them, or that's something different.
All right, let me demonstrate that to you real quick. Let me demonstrate that for you real quick. So what I do is, right, I go here to the wheel icon on my chart. Right here, you see copy trading?
Yeah.
You click on copy trading. You look for a lead account. And then this right here is going to be a lead account. And then you click on all of these. Whatever account you have open.
Okay.
You see lead.
Right.
And then follower accounts.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how you're able to link all the accounts that you have together, and you place a trade on one chart, one account, and then all the other other accounts do the same trade once you place a trade.
Oh, that's good. So I would have to pass the first one first, right? For me to get the other accounts copied.
No, you don't have to pass first to copy.
Oh.
You could buy five compounded trade accounts at a time.
Oh wow. And how much I have to pay? Is it the same 50 for each one or
$50 a piece.
okay.
That's about that. That's 250.
Okay.
And then once you pass, you got to pay $130 each. That's about 600 and change, 641, I believe,
Okay.
to activate your funded account.
Okay.
So you go here, back here, right? So let's go to one of my. You see, it says activate express funded account.
Yeah.
I traded on this account for 6 days
Okay.
at 200 a piece, at 200 a day, at 2 to 400 a day.
Okay.
Like I, once you click on it, it's gonna tell you how much you need to pay.
Oh, okay. So you didn't activate this yet.
Nope, I'm waiting to I'm waiting to pass the other two accounts, and then I'm gonna link both of them together, or I'm gonna link all five of them together and start trading.
Oh man, that's good.
Because the goal is I'm gonna take my time with this. So $25,000 a month. I don't need to touch the money. The money I'm just gonna take payouts,
Right.
let it sit in my account, and once I get 5 payouts, but I only need 4.
Okay.
All right, so let's go over this real quick. I only need 4. You can see my Telegram.
Um, wait, did you click it on here? I still see a top step screen.
All right, 1 second. Let me get here. Let's go stop sharing real quick. Share.
Okay, I see a Telegram now.
Could you see the PDF?
Yeah, how to change your life using prop firms account.
Okay. It said how to change your life using prop firm accounts. A simple, realistic blueprint to escape your job and build consistent income.
Oh, wait. You open it? You clicked it?
Yeah, I clicked it. You see it open?
No, I still see the screen with you and I. It didn't open up all the way. Wait,
Okay. Let me.
hold on.
You can see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Now you see it change your life using prop accounts.
Uh-huh.
A simple, realistic blueprint to escape to escape and build consistent income.
Okay, let's see. Calculate your top income before you begin.
Hold on, Kim. Hold on real quick.
Change your life using
Okay. Uh, number 3. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, I love that. That's awesome. Whoever came up with that, that is good.
Yep. That's basically it. I also sent this to your Telegram.
Yeah, I have it. I just haven't opened it to like read over everything like I just did with you. So I'm like, whoa, that is good. This is good stuff. This is the real sauce for real.
So this is what I do every day. Just I trade. What I haven't really been doing is actually analyzing the chart. I just hop on because I know the strategy. I haven't been back testing it. That's what I meant. And that's really not good. We have to back test. That's how we gonna get better.
So when you back test again, just to confirm, you looking back at the market to see,
Yeah,
uh,
like we doing right now.
yeah,
Like we did today.
yeah, just going back and looking at the market. Okay, I
Hmm.
just okay, man.
All you're doing is taking this tool, go to your trading view, taking this tool and plotting where you think your strategy. You looking for your strategy. So you just go over here and look for your strategy. Above this, you looking for buys.
Yes,
Below that,
you
you looking
said
for sales. You you got it. You got it down pat. You looking
yeah.
for you looking for the two green candlesticks clean.
Mm-hmm. And
You
then
don't see it. You don't see it happening over here.
no.
Even though you see the market playing the favor that you wanted it to go, you want to stick to your strategy.
Yes. So I know below the SMA is the high volume red doji I'm looking for and the two clean pullback candlestick, right?
Mm-hmm.
And above it is the high volume green doji and the two red clean candlestick to pull back for two. So I have that the above and below. But I'm gonna look at the video again after I get off, and I took a lot of notes. So going over this with you today and looking at the video again, everything is gonna come back together for me because I'm just excited. I'm ready to get one prop pass, my first prop firm, and then move on, keep going as well.
In a minute, we're gonna get to a point where we can make trades together.
Yeah, yes, definitely. Because I'll tell you, Brian, I'm not letting up. That's why I was happy to hop on this Zoom with you because I'm looking at the new year coming and still the challenging things on my end, not just financially or whatever, like mentally, because I have to, take care of my dad and everything. But I don't want that to hinder me when it's time to do my trade. So I'm trying to just not react off a lot of things before
Mm-hmm.
trading. I'm trying to just like lately, I'm not gonna lie. I've been just letting everything just slide. Like, if it's out of my control, I can't, it is what it is, out of my control. I'm not gonna stress it. So that's where I'm at. Things I can't control or whatever, I'm going for it. Let's control it, let's redirect, let's keep moving. Things I can't, hey, I can't. Because I don't want nothing to hinder my trading because again, once you know the strategy, you know what you're looking for, you have to stick to it. Once you stick to it, you should be fine. So that's I'm like, okay, I know above, below, and when to enter, and I think I need to learn more of moving it. Moving it. I guess once okay, so let me ask you. So once I set my short or long, depending on, above or below, and once my profit hit, I can just adjust. I can adjust either up or down from the same where I am position, or do I have to?
In the beginning,
Okay,
don't touch your stop loss and don't touch your take profit. Let it
okay,
hit.
okay, got you. And then just look for the next setup.
Yep.
Okay, got
Take
you.
take one of ones for now
All right.
until you could get comfortable taking one of twos and one of threes, and possibly one of fours and all the way to five.
Okay, okay, that's good to know.
Just look for your strategy. I didn't like this doji right here, so I didn't take this trade.
Okay, got you.
This is really not even a doji anyway.
Yeah, I was gonna say because, oh, excuse me, because so the wick at the top is not
Nope.
equal to the bottom, and the body
It,
is too big.
it played out very well, but that goes against my strategy.
Yeah, yeah.
So I look again. This right here played out. That goes against my strategy. It's too many wicks. Two wicks, and then you have these other candles. So we caught one right here. Boom.
Here we go. That's a big doji right there.
Played out 1051. The trade actually played out. When you come down here, you see it. Boom.
Wow.
Yep. Trade played out very well. So normally what I do, you see right here, you see the shadow?
Mm-hmm.
That's the one-on-one right here. That's the shadow. That shadow right here. Let me bring it down. That's one-on-one. From here to this yellow line.
That's the one-to-one.
Yep. So you move your stop loss up here. Until you get used to doing this. Once it hit one-to-one, I'll bring it to like a candle like right here. I'll move it. I'll adjust it. And as the body starts coming out of my one-to-one, you see the wick already hit you, gave you in profit for the one-on-one. But
Right.
as the body starts to remove itself out of the one-to-one, that's when you start trailing and moving your stop loss.
Okay.
Candle by candle, like this. Boom. Candle by candle.
Okay, I see.
Candle by candle.
Got it.
So you left it right there. You would have got stopped out right there, right? Because of the
Mm-hmm.
next candle. That play would have gave you a 1.96. That's how you trail. But for now, until you get used to it and get comfortable, just take these plays right here, the one-on-one risk to reward ratio. As the trade start to open up, you get in the trade, boom. You see the numbers start to move right here. You drag your stop loss to the top of this, boom. Once you get in the trade, you're gonna see numbers start moving here. You drag to the top, boom. Take, then you go to the same position, you drag again, boom. To the bottom right here, that's your take profit, and you just let the trade play out. Let the trade do what it do.
Okay.
It's either gonna stop you out or it's gonna hit your take profit. Let the mechanical stop loss make the play for you.
Okay, got it. I could do that.
That was part of my psychology that I always messed up in the beginning.
You're doing a good job now. I like it. I like it. Yep.
So basically, it was 2 trays that I took today.
That's not Mr. Brian. Hey, Brian. Mr. Brian. I'm sorry, what you said?
I said it was 2 trays that I took today. I took this one. I don't even know why I got into that trade. I took this trade right here. Boom. I lost this one because of the size of the doji. I thought it was going to give me something, but I kind of like gambled because I didn't really pay attention to that bottom wick. The trade went against me and stopped me out right here. Gave me a re-entry over here, and I hit all the way down here. So what I lost, I got back and then some.
That's good.
Yeah. Yep. So that's the play. Just really, we just really can't deviate from the strategy. That's when we start to really take significant losses.
Okay. So I'm gonna stick with this same strategy because that's another thing I was like, in that video he talks about, I think it was 3 different strategies pretty much. One with the support resistance, and then one with the, I think it was diagonal. I think the second was diagonal, either uptrend or down. And I think the last one was talking about the Heiken Ashi, where you can enter off the high volume doji, whether you're in uptrend or downtrend.
Yeah. And this red doji is the high volume doji candlestick.
Mm-hmm.
Also, you see how I plotted my zones?
Yes.
Here and here. You see how that played out?
Yeah. Yep.
Your zone could have been. You could have went from here for here. You could have went there. You could have went here. Mm-hmm.
Or what about this? These other ones towards the end also. Above the 10, I think it's 1055. The other one. Keep going to the left. That one. What do I plot in there? And
you gotta look to the left and see if it is a zone somewhere.
That's right. That's right.
So if you don't see it to the left,
yeah, don't plot it.
No.
Okay, that's another important key I gotta remember. But everywhere where market has touched or rejected from, depending on, yeah.
You see to the left over here?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Here, and here.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm glad I just remember that. Even looking at you point to them, because I did remember him talking about that too. Wherever price had rejected from or touch. I'm sorry, touch.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm definitely gonna get back.
So that's basically about it. If you can't, no problem. If you can't, just try to go over that pamphlet a few times.
You say go over what?
The pamphlet in the video a few times, because what I'm looking at Apex, you can have up to 20 accounts. That's the second prop firm I'm gonna get into.
Okay, so actually, did you start with them yet?
Oh, nah, I ain't started with them yet, but I will.
So
I'm gonna take my time with them too.
I wonder if he have a video only on that strategy that we're doing.
Who Javier?
Yeah, because I know the 6 hour one is three different strategy total.
Hold on. I think I did. I sent it to you, I believe. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, because I want to focus mainly on that so I can get in and start passing these prop firms. I didn't know if
Mm, this video right here. Boom.
okay. I'm gonna I'm gonna watch this over and over. I think I have watched this when you sent it to me, but for
Mm-hmm.
some reason I got stuck on that 6 hour one. I
Oh,
get up, play it, start it over, and but I'm gonna focus mainly on this one.
yeah. And also look at my
Hmm.
the screenshots I sent you in here. So
Yeah,
you get a look. See,
yeah.
boom.
I
How
have
about
it.
doji sticks?
Yeah, shade to the upside.
You see the two candles right here.
Yeah,
No wick at the top. Then you got the high volume doji stick.
man.
Boom. It went straight up. Bing. It's a couple.
So you adjusted yours on that one too? Once you got in to take profit, did you move your take profit line as well? Right, can you hear me? Oh, hey, can you hear me, Brian?
Hey Cam.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Me neither. I got booted off some way.
Oh wow, because I see you logged in twice, and I was saying hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. So that was so that's basically it for today. Anything else you want to ask me?
That's it for now, honestly, and I appreciate everything. I'm going to go back and look at that video over and over, retake my notes, because when I write stuff down, it just helps me retain information better. I don't know why, but it just helped me retain information better. So I'm gonna focus mainly on that video. If you find any more video to the strategy, send it to me, please. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna keep going so when I can go into the new year passing these prop firms and just taking my time to go know the strategy and sticking to the sauce that I'm calling it the sauce that you sent me because that is I love that. I love it. That is,
Let's get it.
yeah, get these kids out of this situation.
You see how fast 100,000 will be obtainable.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm not rushing anything. I'm just gonna take my time and just focus. Looking at the right setup to enter.
Yep.
And going from there.
Yep, absolutely.
All right. Well, this little one of mine just woke up, and we'll talk. I'll talk to you soon. You keep doing what you're doing because you're doing it. I love it. I'm so happy about that.
Appreciate you, Karen.
All right. You take care. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, you too.
All right. Bye bye.